What's up guys, EBOIGBI the first here, and yeah, today this video is about the organizations that I get to be a part of. Alright, get that straight.
I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.
So yeah, the organizations that I get to be a part of, the first one on the list is Guinness World Record, okay? I get to be a multiple Guinness World Record owner, and I'm so happy, I'm so grateful that I get to be part of the Guinness World Record owner, because I'm going to own multiple Guinness World Records, because I'm definitely going to break a lot of records, okay? So yes, I'm happy that I'm going to be a Guinness World Record owner, and I'm so proud of myself, and I can't wait for my nostalgic future that is about to happen, okay? And the next organization I get to be a part of is TEDx Talk, okay? I get to be a part of the TEDx Talk, and yeah, I'm going to give a lot of talks, especially about EBOIGBI Corporation and my company. I get to have a lot of magnificent talks on my TEDx, like I get to be a part of the TEDx company. Also, the next organization I get to be a part of is World Health Organization. Why? Because I care about the health, I care about the environment, and I care about human life. So I'm going to be a part of the World Health Organization, and I'm proud of myself that I get to be a part of the World Health Organization. And also, I also get to be part of the Nobel Prize, okay? I deserve a Nobel Prize for my antics, for my works. Like I created the EBOIGBI Infinity Formula, which is the formula for infinity. That equation is badass. I'm going to leave the link to the video in this comment description. In this video description, this description of this video, I'm going to link. I deserve a Nobel Prize for this equation, for this formula. I created the EBOIGBI Infinity Formula, the formula for infinity. So I deserve a Nobel Prize for it, as you get to see, as you get to know about it. So yeah, I also get to be part of Grammys, okay? I get to own multiple Grammys, okay? And that's the point. Like I get to own multiple Grammys, and I'm proud of myself because I also make good music. And my music are going to be on it. My music are on EBOIGBI Praise, okay? EBOIGBI Praise, there I play music, I sing music, and I also play my playlist, okay? And then I also get to be a part of the Oscars, okay? The Academy Awards, okay? Why? Because I get to own my own movie studio. I get to shoot my own movies, okay? And you guys get to watch them, and they're going to be so fucking amazing. Like it's the best that you've ever seen. And it's still the truth again. That is the best videos that you get to see, and this is the best videos that you will ever see. So yes, I'm so happy, I'm so glad, and I get to own multiple Oscars. I also get to own multiple movie cinemas, which are definitely going to be called EBOIGBI cinemas, okay? The EBOIGBI cinemas are going to be like 3D, and the features are great and amazing. I don't want to disclose too much, but I have the blueprint of EBOIGBI cinemas and exactly how the film theater is going to look like. EBOIGBI cinemas, the theater is going to look like, the cinemas is going to look like. It's very beautiful. I enjoy every aspect of it, and I enjoy exactly what I'm going to create. I'm so nostalgic for the future because I know I'm going to create a lot. I create magnitudes. I'm going to create everlasting magnitudes, okay? Like the magnitudes that I'm going to accomplish on this before I leave this planet in my atom theory machine to go to another dimension. I'm so happy, and you guys get to see it, and you guys get to know that I get to create great feats. And I'm so happy and I'm so grateful at the end of the day. So yeah, these are the organizations that I get to be a part of, and I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of the person I'm becoming. I'm so proud of the person I get to become. So yeah, these are the part of the organization I get to be part of. And now you guys get to watch my ad. My ad starts in 3, 2, 1, and after that you guys get to watch my final outro. So my ad starts in 3, 2, 1.
I am extremely rich. I am extremely wealthy right now. I absolutely love being a trillionaire. I have $1 trillion now in my bank account. I can see on my bank statement that there is now $1 trillion. I am extremely rich. I am extremely wealthy right now. I absolutely love being a trillionaire. I have $1 trillion now in my bank account. I can see on my bank statement that there is now
Superstar icon. Alright, let's go.
Look at me now, what I've been doing. I've been going grocery shopping in town, getting you things. I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get a two streets number shown. I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around, can't get a two streets number shown. I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. To the edge of the night, whatever. I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping.
Hold on, where's my wish list?
Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing. I've been going grocery shopping in town, getting you things. I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get a two streets number shown. I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around, can't get a two streets number shown. I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. To the edge of the night, whatever. I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping.
Hold on, where's my wish list?
Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing, I've been going grocery shopping in town. Getting you things, I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get out to Swiss town, but showing I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's no baby around. Can't get out to Swiss town, but showing I'll be taking my time when I'm with you. To the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, that's my wish list. Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing, I've been going grocery shopping in town. Getting you things, I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get out to Swiss town, but showing I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around. Can't get out to Swiss town, but showing I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. To the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, where's my wish list? Look at me now, what I've been doing, I've been going grocery shopping in town. Getting you things, I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get out to Swiss town, but showing I'll be taking my time when I'm with you. Even though there's a baby around. Can't get out to Swiss town, but showing I'll be taking my time when I'm with you. To the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, where's my wish list? Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing, I've been going grocery shopping in town. Getting you things, I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get out to Swiss town, but showing I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around. Can't get out to Swiss town, but showing I'll be taking my time when I'm with you. To the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, that's my wish list. Okay, look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. There's a baby around. A baby around. Not whatever, I'll be coming back home.
You made it to the end of the video. That's so fucking great. Make sure you give this video a like. Make sure you give this video a subscribe. And make sure you share with your friends in different social platforms, okay? I'm so happy, I'm so proud of you, okay? And I'm so grateful that you're happy with me. And also you're also proud of me, okay? And that's exactly how it's supposed to be. I'm so happy, I'm so proud of you. And yes, I can't wait to get to the end of this video. I can't wait for you to view my goals and ambition, and I can't wait to, like, you know, make another video for you guys to watch and enjoy yourself, okay? I'm so happy and I'm so grateful. And yeah, that's exactly what we get to do today. That's exactly what I get to tell you today. So yeah, without any more further ado, take it easy. Peace.
I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.